My name is Mike Hunt, fearless Australian explorer and wildlife expert. I've explored over 30 countries and been arrested in 12. There's no place on this planet that is dangerous enough to keep me away. I've come here to beautiful Sweden to explore some of the local wildlife and flora. In this dense forest in the remote island of Oland, we hope to find some Scandinavian crocodiles, some stiff snipes, and maybe, if we're lucky, the dreaded pink tiger. Come on. Now, I heard from some of the local farmers there's going to be a bit of a watering hole up there. And if I know my Scandinavian crocodiles correctly, that's going to be where one is going to be, if we're lucky. Now, everybody knows that Scandinavian crocodiles are vegetarians. So, we won't have any problem finding any sort of food with all this foliage and all of these trees around. So, well, be a bit quiet. These fellas scare easily. Oh yeah, this is prime territory right here. See how these sticks have been broken up? Proper Scandinavian crocodile behavior. Always breaking sticks. Bunch of dicks they are. Be quiet. Oh, that's just beautiful. It's gorgeous right up here. See? Probably just waiting beneath the surface. Strike at any sort of leaves or foliage that'd be foolish enough to get to the surface. Be careful. Oh, that stinks. Oh my. There's definitely some Scandinavian crocodiles in this pond, but I think they might be a bit inactive right now because it's Sunday, and most people know that Scandinavian crocodiles, they party hard. So they're probably all nursing fat. Oh, did you see that? Crikey! Right beneath the surface. They're mouthing us up. We're gonna have to get out of here. They're really agitated right now. They just need some sleep and some Pepto-Bismol. That's all they need. Come on, let's go. We left those fellas alone for now, so they could sleep off the night before, and went exploring further into the forest, where we stumbled upon one of nature's best camouflaged predators. Oh, look over there! Look over there! Come on. See that? See that over there? Yeah, that's a stiff snipe. A stiff snipe. That's a very, very dangerous kind of snipe. See, they camouflage themselves as sticks. Let's see if we can get in close here. There's the tail. Always grab them by the tail. You don't want to try and grab them by the head. Oh, defense mechanism. There we go! There. It's a twin-headed one. Twin-headed. These are very rare. Oh, ferocious thing. Oh, blimey. Let's just try and put this one down here. Oh, it's going to try to escape. There. Just put it. Oh, there's another one. See, there's a male stiff snipe up there. There he is. Another twin-headed one. Oh, we are unbelievably lucky right now. Here it is. Here. By the tail. Here we go! Oh my god, it's a ferocious thing! Oh my god! Keep the business end of the snipe away from you. See? Very dangerous thing. Now, since we both have a male and a female snipe here, we're gonna try to make a mate. Put him right here. See? Now can you sit down and wait for the magic to begin? See, now he's just feeling her up. Trying to get a bit more comfortable. Are they? They're not moving. I don't think it's going to work out between them. They're not even touching each other. Well, that was a waste of time. All right, let's go.
Slightly disappointed with the lovemaking skills of the stiff snipes, we set out to find the dreaded pink tiger. We searched the forest for hours, looking in every nook and cranny, mostly nooks. When out of the blue, we stumbled upon something even better.
Oh, come over here, come over here. This is just beautiful right here. Now, come on. These are imp stew mushrooms. The Swedish name is trollskitsvampar. Now, according to Swedish tradition, these are perfectly edible, and we will also be able to smoke these. So, I'm gonna take my pipe here and stick some in them. There, just pack it tight, pack it nice and tight. You're gonna have to smoke some of these too, mate. Don't be a knack. Oh my. Oh, you gotta take a hit of this. Oh shit. Can't feel my legs right now. There's the light. Huh? Feeling it?
Oh, this guy does.
That's a skinny lad.
Yeah. Oh, it's hilarious.
The fuck is that?
Oh, blimey! It looks like the smell of a pig.
I think it's moving.
I have never seen enough identity of a smell. It looks a bit blue. Little hint of orange.
I think it's looking at us.
I think it's coming closer.
We should bail.
Yeah.
My legs are asleep.